Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites: devices, a scanning app, and an attendance form. Open your chosen form builder and create a simple record with name, ID, and timestamp fields. Once done, generate a unique URL for the form and convert that URL into a QR code using a generator. Make sure to name the form clearly and set right permissions so entries append. Test the code yourself with one device to verify the link opens directly to the attendance form. You now deploy the QR code where attendees will see it. Invite each person to scan, fill the brief form, and submit. Encourage quick inputs like name and student or employee ID. Once submissions begin, monitor live responses in the form's spreadsheet or dashboard so you can spot duplicates or missing entries. Make sure to enable automatic timestamps and, if needed, a single response limit per device or one-time tokens for controlled events. This prevents accidental multiple sign-ins and keeps you finished by exporting the collected entries and verifying accuracy. Open the spreadsheet, sort by timestamp, then deduplicate and flag any blank or malformed entries for manual follow-up. Once confirmed, upload to your LMS or archive the CSV. If scanning fails, instruct users to check camera permissions, ensure the QR points to the correct URL, and try a different scanner app. If many fail, replace the printed code or provide a short manual sign-in link as backup to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.